the first time I ever heard Patty Larkin, it changed things for me. It changed my songwriting and what I felt like could be done with songwriting and storytelling and guitar, you know, and so this is a tune by Patty. Just listen to the lyrics, they're so good. Johnny was a pyro and he acted like a baby. Wanted all this attention I couldn't give. Drank a bottle of high, stuff said I love you, now save me. Just a big guy with a fun sense of sin. And the neighbor down the block in his underwear and socks, keeping track of the losses and wins. And his wife hanging out the window, wondering which way the wind blows. The phone, my G in the lock again, singing, oh, yeah, what am I doing with this ring on my hand? Oh, if this is the good life, who's choosing it? Oh, yeah, mama's best woman and daddy's best man. Oh, I'm highly in danger of losing it. I'm losing it. Johnny was a pyro and he acted like a baby. Got a phone call from the wild almost every night. Said he loved me, but he really loved looking past me to the ladies. He was much too good looking for his height. We were a couple of kids crawling out of the crib, talking about the positives and the negatives of wine. Living our lives just like Hemingway did. He was lucky, he was a genius most of the time. Oh, yeah, what am I doing with this ring on my hand? Oh, if this is the good life, who's choosing it? Oh, yeah, mama's best woman and daddy's best man. Oh, but I'm highly in danger of losing it. I'm losing. He was sideswiped by the clue bus when it came to talking, two of us, and the whole thing turned ugly, I guess. You could put your cards out on the table, but if no one wants to play, well, you haven't got a game, you've got a mess. And I was looking at the judge, hanging on my lawyer like a crutch, and the judge said, what happened and why? I said Johnny was a pyro, and he acted like a baby. Now there's nothing like the sound of goodbye. Oh, yeah, what am I doing with this ring on my hand? Oh, if this is the good life, who's choosing it? Oh, yeah, mama's best woman and daddy's best man. Oh, but I'm highly in danger of losing it.